Timeless life philosophies.
Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey through the profound insights of Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher who left an indelible mark on the quest for meaning in life. In this exploration of Platonic idealism, we delve into the timeless wisdom that Plato offers on aligning our thoughts, actions, and lives with higher principles to discover true purpose. As we embark on this inspirational journey, we'll unveil the practical steps derived from Plato's philosophy to help you find profound meaning in your own life. 1. Unexamined life and distorted beliefs. Plato's timeless wisdom begins with a stark proclamation: an unexamined life is not worth living. This poignant statement serves as a clarion call for introspection, challenging each individual to scrutinize their existence. Rooted in the dialogues of Socrates, Plato's mentor, this concept asserts that the pursuit of meaning necessitates a critical examination of one's beliefs. Socrates, a central figure in Plato's works, employed a unique conversational method rooted in doubt and scrutiny. His approach involved questioning every statement and definition that governed the lives of those around him. Fundamental inquiries, such as "Why do you believe that?" or "Can we consider alternative viewpoints?" formed the bedrock of Socratic dialogue. In practical terms, adopting this approach involves applying Socratic inquiry to personal decisions and challenges. Consider a career crossroads as an example. If faced with the decision to stay in a job that feels unfulfilling or explore new opportunities, one might ask fundamental questions such as, "Why am I in this job in the first place?" This prompts reflection on initial motivations and whether they align with the present situation. What do I truly enjoy and value in my work? Delving into the aspects of the job that bring satisfaction and fulfillment. Am I following this career path due to societal expectations or personal passion? Encouraging examination of external pressures versus genuine interests. Could there be alternative career paths that better align with my values and aspirations? Exploring the possibility of more meaningful options. How can I verify or disprove my assumptions about my career choices? Prompting the search for evidence supporting or challenging existing beliefs. This introspective process, inspired by Plato's philosophy, encourages individuals to undergo a journey of self-examination. If necessary, it may lead to a significant shift in life direction, aligning one's path with a more purposeful trajectory. Plato's metaphor of shadows on a wall implies that our beliefs and choices in life are akin to distorted representations. True understanding, according to Plato, requires stepping out of these shadows and into the light of self-awareness. This process of moving from ignorance to understanding, often termed conversion by Plato, entails looking inward to discover genuine desires and needs that bring true value to life. Plato consistently emphasizes that this process of conversion might necessitate substantial changes in one's life, requiring the relinquishment of things that hold little genuine significance. The core message resonates: the quest for meaning in life is an ongoing journey of self-discovery guided by reason, virtue, and the pursuit of higher truths. 2. Love as a transformative force. In Plato's Symposium, love emerges as a profound force, extending beyond conventional romantic attraction. Plato's exploration of love as a transformative journey invites us to reconsider the nature of our relationships and their role in the pursuit of meaning. In Plato's words, love is simply the name for the desire and pursuit of the whole, setting the stage for a journey that transcends the confines of ordinary existence. Imagine a life characterized by routine and conventionality, where daily pursuits revolve around work, socializing, and meeting societal expectations. While comfort may prevail, a sense of emptiness and a lack of deeper meaning often accompany such a life. It is in this context that Plato's philosophy of love takes center stage, inviting us to consider a scenario where love disrupts the ordinary. Suppose an individual immersed in a routine encounters someone special, sparking a romantic attraction that goes beyond the physical. In the realm of Platonic philosophy, This love becomes a transformative force, prompting a profound desire for meaning. The journey, triggered by love, transcends the romantic relationship itself. It becomes an exploration of why love holds such importance and what it means for one's existence. The transformative power of love becomes evident as individuals undergo a metamorphosis. Love, in the Platonic sense, inspires qualities such as consideration, compassion, and selflessness. It serves as a catalyst for self-improvement, not merely for the sake of the partner, but as a commitment to becoming a better person in a broader sense. This disruption, caused by love, challenges familiar paths and habits. Individuals may find themselves questioning materialistic pursuits that previously defined their lives, such as a relentless focus on career success or the accumulation of possessions. Plato's philosophy prompts individuals to delve deeper into their love for a partner, initiating contemplation on the nature of love itself. Plato introduces the concept of the ladder of love, illustrating the stages through which love evolves. Physical attraction, initial attraction based on physical appearance. Beauty of personality, appreciation of inner beauty and personality. Beauty of knowledge, seeking universal truths and knowledge. Ultimate beauty, love for the highest beauty itself, representing the ultimate source of meaning and harmony in the universe. This latter signifies that love, in the Platonic sense, is not confined to romantic pursuits alone. It encompasses a broader spectrum, leading individuals through stages of understanding and meaning. The idea that love is the driving force behind our thoughts, actions, and desires encourages a continuous pursuit of meaning at every stage of life's journey. In the contemporary context, where feelings of anxiety and a sense of loss of meaning are prevalent, Plato's nuanced understanding of love offers valuable insights. Beyond the romantic realm, individuals can apply the principles of Platonic love to various aspects of their lives. Consider a scenario where an individual faces a significant loss, such as a job or an activity that once provided a sense of meaning. The typical response might be one of hopeless disappointment. However, Plato's philosophy suggests an alternative path, the rebuilding of one's ladder of love. For instance, imagine a person passionate about collecting rare stamps. By concentrating on this hobby, they can uncover the deeper desires and needs behind it. Perhaps it's a hidden love for history, geography, or politics that fuels this interest. In applying Plato's philosophy, attention to small things and the pursuit of genuine passions become the catalysts for finding deeper meaning. Plato's perspective on love goes beyond the conventional understanding of emotions or relationships. It delves into the profound longing to reunite with a lost unity, suggesting that love serves as a means to access a higher understanding of life's purpose. This interpretation of love aligns with the Platonic notion that humans were once a unified being, and the pursuit of love is an inherent drive to reconnect with that lost unity. Plato's philosophy of love encourages individuals to see beyond the surface of romantic relationships and recognize love as a transformative force. By engaging in a continuous journey of self-improvement and contemplation on the nature of love, individuals can access deeper meanings and truths about their existence. 3. Building the Republic of your soul. Plato's vision of an ideal society, as depicted in his work, The Republic, extends beyond the external structures of governance to the internal landscape of the human soul. The three main groups in Plato's ideal society philosophers, guardians and laborers, are not only societal archetypes, but also representations of virtues within an individual: wisdom, bravery, and self-restraint, corresponding to philosophers, guardians, and laborers. Form the pillars of Plato's philosophical framework. Philosophers, in Plato's ideal society, are the wise and knowledgeable individuals who lead society. Freed from the responsibilities of protection and production, they focus on understanding profound ideas and truths. This archetype, when applied to the individual, represents the virtue of wisdom. The journey towards wisdom begins with self-restraint and satisfaction, followed by a realization that material pursuits can be limiting. Guardians, in Plato's societal construct, are tasked with protecting society. Their focus is on ensuring the safety and well-being of the community. In terms of individual virtues, guardians represent bravery. This virtue, according to Plato, involves moving beyond the pursuit of material wealth and seeking fulfillment beyond possessions. As individuals mature, they begin to care for others, whether it be through relationships with pets, children, or aging parents. Laborers, the third group in Plato's societal model, are responsible for producing goods and resources. They contribute to the material well-being of society. In terms of virtues, laborers represent self-restraint. The journey towards self-restraint involves the initial focus on meeting basic needs and striving for well-being. As individuals progress, they recognize the potential harm in ceaseless pursuit of material wealth and start seeking fulfillment beyond possessions. Plato's philosophical framework suggests that these virtues, wisdom, bravery, and self-restraint, correspond to stages of personal growth. The stages unfold as follows: self-restraint and satisfaction, focusing on meeting basic needs and striving for well-being. Limiting material pursuits, recognizing the limitations of chasing after material wealth endlessly. Taking care of others, caring for others, whether through relationships or caregiving responsibilities. Real wisdom and love, achieving true wisdom and love, where the world is seen as a space filled with subjects to love and cherish. These stages of personal development mirror the virtues required for an ideal society to function optimally. In practical terms, individuals can interpret these stages as a roadmap for navigating life's complexities. The initial focus on self-restraint and satisfaction involves meeting basic needs, setting the foundation for personal well-being. As individuals progress, they recognize the potential pitfalls of material pursuits and aim to limit such endeavors. This stage encourages a shift in focus towards seeking fulfillment beyond possessions, embracing a more holistic approach to well-being. The subsequent stage, marked by caring for others, involves extending compassion and love to entities beyond the self. This may manifest in relationships with family, friends, or even responsibilities towards pets. While this stage instills virtues of love and care, it often remains task-oriented, with the focus on fulfilling immediate caregiving roles. The final stage, characterized by real wisdom and love, represents the pinnacle of personal growth. It involves seeing the world not as a place to possess things, but as a space filled with subjects to love and cherish. Plato's philosophical framework suggests that this process of development is inherent in human nature, aligning with our lived experiences and providing a roadmap for a meaningful and purposeful life. In practical terms, this philosophy implies that the primary goal in life is to allow one's inner potential to unfold fully. The stages of personal development, as outlined by Plato, encourage individuals to learn to see the world in a deeper and more meaningful way. It emphasizes that the pursuit of wisdom and love is an innate aspect of human nature, aligning with the optimal functioning of an ideal society. This Platonic perspective on personal development offers practical implications for individuals seeking a more meaningful existence. By recognizing the virtues of wisdom, bravery, and self-restraint as inherent stages of growth, individuals can navigate life's complexities with a sense of purpose and direction. 4. The power of intellect in navigating life's challenges. Plato's exploration of the universe's creation in his dialogue Timaeus introduces a concept that resonates deeply with the human experience, the combination of necessity and reason. This philosophical perspective, while ancient, holds profound implications for navigating life's challenges in the contemporary context. It invites individuals to contemplate the interplay between uncontrollable circumstances and the power of reasoned decision-making. The concept of necessity in Plato's framework represents the elements of life that are beyond human control. These are the events and circumstances that occur naturally, often causing physical or emotional suffering. Whether it be illnesses, unexpected disasters, or challenges that disrupt one's plans, these aspects of life fall under the realm of necessity. On the other hand, reason symbolizes the human capacity to think, decide, and make choices. It represents the intellectual prowess that allows individuals to navigate the mix of necessity and choice in their lives. Plato's philosophy suggests that, much like the creation of the universe, individuals can employ reason to persuade necessity to unfold in the best possible way. Practical application of this concept can be illustrated in scenarios where individuals face significant life decisions, such as career choices. Consider a situation where an individual finds themselves in a job that no longer brings fulfillment, yet financial obligations and family responsibilities create a sense of entrapment. This situation encapsulates the necessity aspect, external factors, and responsibilities that seem beyond control. Applying Plato's philosophy involves utilizing reason to consider career choices and personal happiness against these obligations. The first step in this journey is to identify the aspects of one's career and life that can be controlled. These may include skills, education, networking, and efforts invested in exploring new opportunities. The individual then defines clear and achievable career goals that align with personal interests and values. The journey involves transitioning from a focus on material pursuits to a careful consideration of one's passions and desires. If a significant change in career is contemplated, it necessitates patience and strategic planning. Acknowledging that meaningful change is a gradual process, Plato's philosophy encourages individuals to plan a transition that minimizes the impact on financial stability. The inevitability of setbacks is recognized within this framework. Rejections, challenges, and unexpected turns are considered as part of life's necessity. However, reason becomes the guiding force, motivating individuals to persevere. The realization that meaningful change cannot be instantaneous prompts a measured approach, where individuals dedicate time and effort to acquiring new skills or education. The support system, according to Plato's philosophy, is crucial in this journey. Seeking guidance from individuals who have navigated similar paths or turning to mentors provides a valuable blend of practical advice and emotional encouragement. These experiences offer a wealth of insights, helping individuals make informed decisions and persevere through challenges. Throughout this process, the long-term purpose and meaning in life serve as a guiding force. Whether it be a passion for a specific career or the desire for a more fulfilling job, Plato's philosophy encourages individuals to let this ultimate purpose steer their decisions and actions. This purpose becomes the compass that guides individuals through the complexities of life, ensuring that even when faced with challenges, reasoned decision-making prevails. In essence, Plato's exploration of necessity and reason invites individuals to view life's challenges through a philosophical lens. It advocates for the empowerment of intellect in navigating the mix of uncontrollable elements and rational decision-making. By aligning career choices with personal values, pursuing gradual transitions, and seeking support, individuals can transform their careers to align with a more meaningful and satisfying trajectory. 5. Cultivating contemplation skills for a meaningful life. In Plato's call to be free from the body and behold actual realities with the eye of the soul alone, we find the essence of contemplation. We explore the steps to cultivate contemplation skills, self-reflection, mindfulness, critical thinking, and philosophical inquiry. By freeing our minds from physical distractions and desires, we unlock the ability to connect inner thoughts with the world around us. Practical applications, including the role of music in this contemplative journey, unveil a path to a clearer understanding of life and a deeper connection with the universe. In the echo of Plato's timeless wisdom, we find a guide to discovering profound meaning in life. From questioning distorted beliefs to understanding the transformative power of love, building the republic of our souls, navigating life's challenges with intellect, and cultivating contemplation skills, Plato's philosophy remains a beacon of inspiration